Have you ever wondered what sets future-ready students apart from the rest? They don't just learn what to think, they learn how to think. That's exactly why we are hosting AI Workshop for Gen Z.
Before the workshop, I was hesitant to use AI, but after this workshop, Mr. Blaine has taught me so many tools that I can use, and honestly, after this, I see myself being 10, 20 times more productive in my work.
Through this workshop, I've learned multiple new AIs and how to use them. Innovative platforms doing things I never thought AI could possibly do.
Video building using the different programs, image generations, as well as the things that you can use in your day-to-day life.
Our son was coming from this workshop every night and was happy and was very excited, and I didn't see this type of excitement in him for a very long time.
They have learned so many tools these 4 days which will really benefit him, will give him the opportunity better in his school projects or in future as well.
AI is not just coding, it's learning, innovation, critical thinking, and how to put your thoughts and ideas into practice. It is the real skill universities and employers are looking for today.